Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a closer look at a standout in the world of blenders, the Nuwave Infinity Noise Reduction Blender. Whether you're someone who blends smoothies every morning, or you're after a machine that can handle tougher tasks, this one promises to deliver high performance and a quieter blending experience. With a robust 2.5 HP motor, a 56-ounce jar, and a soundproof enclosure, it's all about versatility and power. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Nuwave Infinity Noise Reduction Blender is a professional-grade machine designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from smoothies and frappes to salsas, nut butters, and even hot soups. It's equipped with 6 preset program buttons, giving you one-touch convenience for various blending needs, alongside 10 manual speeds for precision control. Whether you're making a quick smoothie or creating a thicker nut butter, it gives you the flexibility to adjust on the fly. But the standout feature here is the self-cleaning function that promises to clean the blender in under 30 seconds, ideal for those who don't want to spend extra time washing up after every use. As for the jar, it's made of a high-quality, BPA-free, non-breakable Tritan material, which ensures durability and safety. Not only is it safe for use by everyone in the family, but it's also built to last, making it an ideal option for people looking for a long-lasting blender that can take daily use. The high-end 2.5 HP motor inside this blender is capable of reaching 17,000 RPMs, even under full load, which means you can easily tackle even the toughest ingredients. And thanks to its laser-cut stainless steel blades, the blender can break down everything from ice to dense greens without any issues, delivering a smooth and nutrient-rich result. But here's the kicker. The Nuwave Infinity blender features a soundproof enclosure, designed to reduce noise levels by up to 40%. This means less of that loud, annoying whirring sound most blenders produce, which is a huge plus for anyone who wants to blend without disturbing the entire household or neighborhood. The soundproofing is made possible by a 5.5mm thick cover that wraps around the jar, providing a quieter blending experience, so you can have a more peaceful environment while you work your culinary magic. From my personal experience, setting up the Nuwave Infinity blender was straightforward. The buttons are intuitive, and the machine is fairly easy to operate. I tested it in several scenarios. First, with a basic smoothie mix of fruits, spinach, and ice. The blender worked effortlessly, breaking down everything into a smooth, creamy texture. Then I moved on to something a bit more challenging, a nut butter blend. Using almonds, the blender handled the dense nuts with ease, breaking them down into a silky spread without overheating or losing power. It's worth noting that the 56-ounce jar feels a little bulky when full, but that's a minor issue considering the overall performance. However, no product is without its flaws. While the blender is built like a tank and has incredible power, it's not entirely free of limitations. The noise reduction feature, while impressive, doesn't make it whisper quiet. If you're looking for a blender that's nearly silent, you might still hear some background noise, especially if you're working with hard ingredients like frozen fruit or ice. Additionally, the size of the jar and the motor's power might make this unit feel a bit too large for smaller kitchens, especially if you're limited on counter space. Now, let's talk about value for money. The Nuwave Infinity is not a cheap blender, but its robust performance and durable construction justify the cost. When compared to similar models like the Vitamix 7500 or Blendtec Total Blender, which are both similarly priced, the Nuwave stands out with its noise reduction capabilities, a feature not commonly found in its competitors. But it's also important to note that the Vitamix models are known for their quieter performance out of the box. So if noise is a significant factor for you, these could be better alternatives, though they come at a higher price point. The Nuwave offers a solid value considering the features it packs, especially if noise reduction is a high priority for you. As for build quality, the Nuwave Infinity blender feels solid. The Tritan jar, while lightweight, is sturdy and feels like it can withstand years of heavy use. The motor itself, boasting 2.5 HP, seems durable, and it's good to know that it has been rigorously tested to withstand over 15,000 cycles of continuous blending. That's about 45,000 minutes, which is reassuring for anyone who needs a blender that can handle the demands of a busy kitchen. Given its lab-tested durability, you can expect this blender to last you for a long time, making it a reliable investment. Now, customer support hasn't been something I've needed to test myself, but based on the reputation of Nuwave as a brand, they tend to be responsive and helpful when issues arise. Their warranty covers most of the components, which is a positive sign if you're concerned about long-term support. In terms of updates, since the Nuwave Infinity is a standard countertop blender, it doesn't rely on firmware or software updates. Its performance is entirely hardware-based, so there's no need to worry about keeping it up to date in that sense. To sum up, the Nuwave Infinity Noise Reduction Blender is an impressive kitchen tool. It blends with power, durability, and the added bonus of noise reduction, which is a game changer for anyone tired of waking up the whole house with their morning smoothie ritual. It performs excellently in both routine and tougher tasks, and while the price might feel like an investment, it's one that's backed up by its robust features and reliable performance. If you're in the market for a high-powered blender that can handle anything you throw at it, and do so without overwhelming noise, this could be a perfect choice for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link to get your own Nuwave Infinity blender in the comments box below. Let us know your thoughts if you already own one, or if you have any questions. Until next time, it's always a good time for Reviews Inside TV, so stay tuned for more amazing product insights.